How are things? So today we're going to make a creamless chicken and bacon carbonara. Slice all the chicken up into small little pieces. Next step is to add a bit of coconut oil, about 1 spoonful, and add all the chicken in. So I'm making 3 portions, so I'm putting approximately 200 grams of pasta. Cooking the chicken, start boiling the water for all the pasta, all ready to go. While the chicken's cooking, you add in a bit of salt, pepper, a bit of garlic, and then the last one is just a few chili flakes on top of it. Bit of flavour. So then now the water's all boiled, you just add in the pasta. Make a bit of a mess as well. And now the chicken is all cooked, so you can add in bacon bits. You can use just normal bacon, but I'm a bit lazy and just went for the sliced bacon already. So while the pasta is boiling, and you'll just make your sauce, so it's just 4 egg yolks in there. Just a little bit of lemon juice. And a teaspoon of honey mustard. And just try and stir it all together. Nice and creamy. Once the mixture is ready, you can go ahead and just pour it on to all the chicken and the bacon. And the heat of all that will just make it a little bit thicker before you put it into the pasta. Pour the chicken straight into the pasta and just mix it all straight through. And then that's how it ends up. Chicken, bacon, pasta, carbonara. It tastes a lot nicer than it actually looks.